Hey everyone, welcome back to the Art Studio. In today's video, I'm going to swatch Daniel Smith watercolor dot card containing 66 watercolors. I will be swatching all watercolors and will also discuss my favorites. Daniel Smith watercolor dots are not only a great way to test these professional paints, but they can also be very useful for quick on the go sketching. So here I have named all the Daniel Smith watercolors and I've already listed them and I will be swatching them one by one. This watercolor card also have 66 watercolors in this, and they also include a lot of metallic colors, so we will be swatching all of them as well. So let's start with the first color, which is called Amethyst Genuine. This looks like a purple color. It's like a deep purple, but not very vibrant. It can be great to paint crystals, stones. Now moving on to next, it is Sodalite Genuine. This is more of a blue tone color. As this Daniel Smith dot card contains 66 watercolors, so I will quickly swatch all of the colors like this. Okay, so I'm done with all the swatching, and I want to tell you that Daniel Smith watercolor dots are not only a great way to test these professional paints, but they can also be useful for quick and on the go sketching. These samples are also handy when you rarely use certain colors and don't want to keep around a full pan or tube. You can test these colors and see which ones you like the best and then decide which ones to buy. Some of my favorites are quinacridone, coral, fuchsia, pink, red, quinacridone rose, burnt sienna, cascade green, pines blue gray, and many more, which are bright and vibrant, and I will mostly use in my watercolor floral and landscape paintings. All in all, I really like these colors, truly professional watercolor paints, and very much admired by many professional artists. Let me know your favorite brand of watercolors or which colors are your favorite from Daniel Smith brand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.